How to get waves from a bald head using Gojo products. Day 100. Oh yeah, we 100 days in. That's crazy. But yeah, man, look, check it out. Y'all want to know how I wash and style? A lot of you guys asking, PB, how do you wash and style right now? I'm on your 720 waves. How long is your hair? All that. So I'm gonna show you guys my 720 wave wash and style method. All right. So first, what you want to do is you want to comb out your hair. Comb it out. You know what I'm saying? Comb it up, lift it. You know, lift it up. Yeah, mess up your hair, bro. Just go ahead and mess it up, man. It's gonna be all right, man. Get a wash in. We about to get a wash in. So what we want to, after we get done lifting the hair up, now it's time to get in the shower and wash your hair. All right, I'm not gonna show myself in the shower though. Like, I'm not doing all that. But however you wash your hair in the shower, do that. Okay. When you do wash your hair in the shower, I recommend that you do not scramble wash if your hair is not fully trained, because that's just going to make it harder for your hair to lay down. So only scramble wash. The people who scramble wash should be scramble washing only when your hair is really trained. When you get done with the wash fresh out the shower, man, you want to comb your hair first. Just get it ready to get, you know what I'm saying, to get styled. All right. So you're styling it pretty much without the shampoo in your hair, without the bar, without any product in your hair. Dry brushing. Okay. We're going to dry brush the pattern. 365, 40, 720, whatever pattern you have. All right, that's what I'm doing. I got 720, so that's why I'm brushing my wave pattern with nothing in my hair. Remind you, fresh out the shower with nothing in my hair. Okay, now it got a little bit dry, so I'm just using a spray bottle to, you know, wet it again. So that way when I apply that legendary tie bar, which is right there, it smells amazing, it will, you know, give me lather because I have water in my hair now. You feel me? So I start from the crown when I apply my my bar, my shampoo bar. Apply from the crown all the way around. All right. Make sure your crown is in place and everything. All right. Then you want to pull out your brush and start styling. This is the styling part. Okay. Styling pretty much is brushing your wave pattern with products in your hair, which is shampoo in your hair, which is the legendary tie-dye bar to be exact. So that's what I'm doing. I'm styling my hair. I say the styling process will probably be I style for about, I ain't gonna lie, anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. So you want to get it in real good, you know, 720. So I'm hitting every angle. These angles are crazy. They're not like 360s, bro. It's like you got to brush in sections. I don't even think it's called angles no more, bro. It's sections. It's sections. That's crazy, right? Sections is crazy, man. So, you know, with the 360s, I used to say 8 angles. No, this is like 16 angles, bro. You got to do crown separation, crown isolation, all type of stuff, man. This pattern right here is crazy. It's different. You know what I'm saying? But I like the work though. You know what I mean? I like stuff to keep me busy. So I'm excited about this wave pattern, and I'm definitely excited about my progress. So I've been washing like this, I say about twice a week, Sundays and Wednesdays. If I lack on my brushing, I'll do it 3 times. I ain't gonna lie, because it'll actually help my hair. Well, if you didn't know, when your hair is wet, it's easier for your hair to move. So that's good for progress. So that's why I wash at least twice or 3 times a week, to be honest. Major lather. You see that lather? The lather is crazy. Lather crazy. But yeah, after I get done brushing, styling it, you're gonna have a whole gang of lather on your brush, right? Save that lather. Take that lather out your brush like this. You see what I'm doing right now? I'm getting all the lather out my brush and I'm putting it to the side. I like to put it in my case, my legendary tie-dye bar case, because it comes with a case that the bar goes inside, and I put it all in there like this. You see all the lather? That's from me brushing. That's all from that one styling session. So I'm gonna grab that, you know what I mean, and then I'm gonna go. It's time for the molding process. So this part right here is very important. You're molding your hair to lay down. So you're just using your hands now. You're using them hands to mold. You know what I mean? Them diamonds to mold your pattern. And I'll get more. Just keep getting it. That matters, man. Like a lot of lather for molding, it matters, because the more lather, the more hold it's gonna have. So you're gonna have to lose a lot of it if your hair is really long, like mine. I'm woofing. Like I'm 100 days in. I have not even cut in 100 days, bro. So I'm crazy woofing. So I just kept going with the grain, you know, of my wave pattern, getting the crown right, making sure everything is in place before I rag up. All right. And before I rag up, man, I put on the crown patch. So I put on the crown patch, but look, this is how I'm looking right now after my mold. It's the mold with this, man, I'm telling you, that mold on that legendary tie-dye bar is unmatched, bro. Look at that. Looks amazing, right? All right, now it's time to put my crown patch, man. That's going to do is keep my crown in place So when the water hits it, when I rinse it out, when I get in the shower, after I put on, you know, the crown patch, the do-rag, and I rinse out all the shampoo out my hair, it's going to keep my crown in place as well. You'll see at the end of the results. I'm going to show the results as well. Put the do-rag on. You know what I mean? Put your do-rag on how you put it on. I recommend put it on like how I'm doing. That's how I do it. Put it on. Boom, boom, boom. Hurry up. Tick, 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 tock. All right, now let the do-rags on. I didn't show this either, but rinse your hair out, okay? Rinse it out. Wait for it to fully dry. And my hair is fully dry right here. So now, here is the results. These are the results for my 720 wave washing style method using the washing style bar. You know what I'm saying? The tie-dye bar. And those are the results. 720 waves. I'm woofing like crazy. 100 days in. Good shine. Man, I'm still working on my crown. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know with this wave pattern, bro, my crown is going. I can only get my crown as best as I can with 2 crowns. It's not going to be the best 720 wave crown. I got the best 720s, but my crown is not going to be the best because I have 2 crowns. I'm still working on it. It takes so much time, bro, and it's irritating, but it's okay. I know we're going to get there. So I'm just, you know, it's all about being patient, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's all about being patient. But look at the progress. Progress look amazing for 100 days. Comment below what y'all think. Try this washing style method with your 360s, 540, 720 waves. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Hey, I enjoyed doing this video. I definitely enjoyed the feedback. So you guys comment below right now. All right. See, second crown is still exposed, but it's getting better, man. It's growing. Make sure you guys like, comment, and follow for more content like this. Let's go.